Viewers, in this video, you will watch some important exam-based questions for the poem "Village Song" written by Sarojini Naidu. Here you will find 35 fill in the blanks questions. So the first question is, the poem "Village Song" is a dash. The answer will be the poem "Village Song" is a folk poetry. Question 2. The poem Village Song is a beautiful creation of dash. The answer will be Sarojini Naidu. The poem Village Song is a beautiful creation of Sarojini Naidu. Question 3. Sarojini Naidu was the first Indian woman to become the president of dash. To become the president of the Indian National Congress. Question 4. She was the first Indian woman to become the governor of dash. The answer will be to become the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Question 5. Sarojini Naidu was popularly known as dash. Popularly known as the Nightingale of India. Question 6. The poem Village Song appeared in her book titled dash. The answer is The Golden Threshold. Question 7. Marriage is an important event in a dash person's life. So the answer will be in this way. Marriage is an important event in a person's life. Question 8. Parents want to see their children happily dash. The answer will be married and settled. Question 9. In the poem Village Song, Sarojini Naidu depicts how a young girl doesn't wish to dash, wish to get married. Question 10. In the poem Village Song, the mother addresses her daughter as dash. Answer will be Honey Child. 11. The mother addresses the child as Honey Child because the child is dash. Answer will be the child is sweet to mother. Question 12. The mother has asked dash to her daughter. The answer will be 4 questions. 13. The mother dissuades the daughter from dash going to the forest. Going to the forest is the answer. Then question 14. The daughter wants to go to dash. The daughter wants to go to the wild forest. The wild forest is the answer. Question 15. The jewels are meant for dash. The jewels are meant for the honey child. Question 16. The mother asks her daughter if she would cast her jewels all to dash. The answer is blowing breezes. Question 17. The mother has fed the daughter on dash. The answer is golden grains. Question 18. Golden grain means dash. The answer will be delicate dishes. Question 19. If the girl leaves home, she would grieve dash. She would grieve her lover. Her lover is the answer. Question 20. The lover is riding forth to dash. The answer is wed the child. The wed the child is the answer. Question 21. The champa birds are blowing upon the dash. The answer will be champa boj. Champa boj. Question 22. Question 22. Quail haunted means dash. The answer will be the place frequently visited by quails. Question 23. The girl is going to the quail haunted dash. The answer will be river Isles. Then question 24. Dash glisten in the quail haunted river Isles. The answer will be lotus and lilies. Then next question 25. The flowers described in the poem Village Song are dash. The answer will be champa, lotus, lilies. These are the three flowers described in this poem. Next question 26. Dash are calling to the girl. The answer will be the fairy folk. The fairy folk are calling to the girl. Question 27. The mother says that the world is dash. The answer will be the world is full of pleasure. Then question 28. The bridal robes are dash. The bridal robes are in the loom. Question 29. The bridal robes are dash in color. The answer will be the bridal robes are silver and saffron in color. Question 30. The bridal cakes are dash. The bridal cakes are on the hearth. Question 31. Dash have cadences of sorrow. The bridal song and cradle song have cadences of sorrow. Question 32. The laughter of the sun means dash. Happiness. Happiness is the answer. Happiness or the pleasure of living. Then next 33. The wind of death means dash. The answer will be loss or sorrow. Question 34. According to the girl, the far sweeter sound is the dash. The answer is forest notes. According to the girl, the far sweeter sound is the forest notes. Question 35. The girl cannot stay at home because the fairy folk are calling. This is the answer. So the answer will be in this way. The girl cannot stay at home because the fairy folk are calling. So viewers, these are the important questions. Practice these questions by watching the video regularly, frequently, without any interruption, so that you can memorize all these questions and their answers. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.